Hello craft heroes! Here's what the finished feet of the duck looks like. Now let's crochet this section together using orange yarn. For round 1 we need to work 6 single crochet around a magic ring, which is 6 stitches in total. Now, with your left palm facing you, hold the yarn tail and loop the yarn once around your pinky and loop the yarn around your index finger and middle finger as well, so that it makes an X in front of your fingers. Pinch the crossover point of the X with your thumb and middle finger to secure it. Insert hook into this loop. Pull the left yarn through. Rotate the hook to make a loop on hook. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to make 1 magic ring. Next we need to work 6 single crochet. Insert hook into the hole of the magic ring. Yarn over and pull yarn through the hole. See 2 loops on hook. Yarn over and pull yarn through these 2 loops. So this is 1 single crochet. We can see the V shape of the stitch. Mark the first stitch with the stitch marker, then the second single crochet, 3, 4, 5, and 6. See 6 stitches. Hold the yarn tail and pull tight to close up the ring. The slip stitch at the end of the round is just for joining and it does not count as a stitch. Put the yarn tail on the hook, then crochet over it as you work to hide it. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. So we have finished round 1. The slip stitch at the end of each round is just for transitioning. It does not count as a stitch. For round 2, we need to work 3 sequences of 3 chain stitches and 1 slip stitch in the next stitch. Work 3 chain stitches at the beginning. Insert hook into the next stitch to work 1 slip stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. Finished 1 sequence of 3 chain stitches and 1 slip stitch in the next stitch. Continue with 3 chain stitches next and work 1 slip stitch next. Finish 2 sequences. Continue with 3 chain stitches next and work 1 slip stitch next. Finished round 2. Work 1 chain stitch and pull the yarn to leave a 6-inch long tail for sewing. Cut off the yarn and pull through the loop to pull tight. Now we have finished 1 piece of feet. We need to crochet another foot piece in the same way. Now we have finished the feet of the duck.